Hi everyone, welcome again to AUTOCLICK Carwash App. This is the application for business owners or people who own car washes. It doesn't matter wherever you are in the world, you can be able to make use of the AUTOCLICK Carwash App. So in this instance, we're just going to go through the process of how you can capture transactions as the cars come in. So you can also scan a car if you're in South Africa with the license sticks, which is a quick and another way to quickly capture the registration number of the car. Or you can also use the manual entry, which is also a system where you can just put the registration number. So in this case, I can just say maybe it's BX45 GH. Maybe we are in Gauteng, in an example in South Africa. Then I'll just say GP. Then you click submit. Then you should be able to capture the make, the model, the vehicle color, the body type. This also determines the price that you'll be able to charge on the services. So the only important three things is the registration of the car, the body type, so that we'll be able to select the correct body size to determine the price, and the driver's name. These or other sections, you might leave them blank, but in my case, just for demonstration purposes, we'll be able to put the make. So we can say it's a BMW, maybe it's an X3 for example, and the color is also black. So in this case, I'll say it's a black X3. Then the body type, I will say it's a SUV, and then the driver's name, I'll put maybe John. And then depend with which country you are in my case, I'm in South Africa. I'll use the +27. Then I'll enter John's number, for example 076 951 555 and then email address you can capture, but as you're capturing, cars are coming thick and fast, you might not have the time, but you can capture if you have the time. If you use a key tag system, so that you'll be able to know where you have placed the key tag or the keys for the car, you can use key tag number. I can say maybe I've placed this on key tag number 3. And if you've got cleaners that you want to assign, you should be able to select the cleaners, whether it's Liam or it's Seth, whoever that you choose. So I can assign a cleaner who will be washing the car in this case. If you also use birthdays, that allows you to put a birthday for someone, so that if it's their birthday month, you should be able to offer them what we call a free wash. You just need to place a birthday in there, so that in the system of the back office, you should be able to find all upcoming birthdays, and then you can reach out to the client to say, we know this month is your birthday, please come to our car wash. We'll be able to offer you a free car wash for being a loyal customer. So it's something that it's optional, you can use it for your marketing. Once you have captured everything, you click on submit. And the beauty about it is that once you capture it once, next time you enter the same registration number, all the details will come in. Then it will land you here. As you can see, you still have your registration number. You can see the entry date is on the 19th. If someone says, oh, I've got a dirty trailer or a dirty cab, or maybe they've got a car seat, you can enter a custom service. In this case, I can say maybe they've got a baby seat that they need also washing, which is not something that you always do, but it's a request. And maybe you can charge it 50 Rand, and then you just click add, so which means you have added a baby seat. And if this person also wants maybe a snack or maybe a car perfume, you can include the car perfume in there again. If they are taking an executive full wash, or maybe a full wash and a hand polish, you can select that. So then you can click confirm. Then it will show you everything, that the driver's name is John, the contact number, the cleaners that have been assigned. It shows you the services that they have taken, the add-on, which is the 50 Rand. If you are running loyalty program, which you see in the next videos, you can also redeem loyalty points that you are giving to this client. and at the same time, the products or other products or refreshments, you find them there. If you are happy the total to pay is 380 rand, you click confirm. So you have captured the transaction and it will land you here. If you've got the car wash app, you can see the OTP to collect your car is there. So if you're a client, if you have got the AutoClick client app, you get push notifications that your car has been booked in. In this section, you have got the ability to print. As you can see the icons, you have the ability to call the client again, and you have the ability to even chat directly to them via WhatsApp. And this gives you a summary of what they've taken. We have payment status is written not paid, and you can also see that the status car is in the queue, and you've assigned cleaners there. The OTP is a one-time password that's generated by the system to allow your clients to show that to you so that you can give the car back to the rightful owner. So the system will generate a unique code which you can share with the client, such that when they come back to collect their car, they need to certify that they are the true owners. You have the ability to change status. You can go from in queue to in wash bay, so that at each point it also sends that a push notification to the client via the client app. If you also change that it's now in finishing bay, you can also do that. And you can even click from finishing bay to completed and ready for collection. And you also have the status to say keys collected, but it goes in stages. Don't forget to also collect payment. You can also cancel the car wash transaction if anything happens that they want to leave. Maybe it starts raining and they already been scanned and you want to cancel, you can click cancel car wash, but you need to enter the authorization code which is set up in the back office. So in this case, I need to click confirm payment, but there's red text that says this client has also availed other products or services. If you remember they bought a car perfume, you still need to go to the side of other products and services to collect payment. So in this case, I'll collect the payment for the car wash. I'll click collect. So the client would have come, and I'll choose how are they paying me. Are they paying me via cash, via card? So that at the end of the day, we'll be able to know how much we have received. Maybe they're using their bank card. So I'll click OK. So I've collected payment, and as you can see, the click to confirm payment, it's already grayed out, meaning you have collected. So it should only click on this one if you indeed have collected payment. So in this case, it's still in finishing bay. I can now move it directly to completed and ready for collection. These all stages are optional. You don't need to follow step by step. So you can just scan, and when it's ready, just come here and put it in completed. Then you can see that it sends an OTP, and it also sends you a WhatsApp notification that will also come to say, hi John, your car BX is ready for collection at AutoClick Demo Car Wash App, which you can also be able to see. And if you have got the client app, you should be able to see push notifications, so it shows you that it's ready for collection. And this is the message that you see: hi John, your car BX whatever is ready for collection at AutoClick Demo Car Wash, thank you, with the transaction details. And then you can see the contact number of the business, and we also have where they can also download the app. So this is the section which you can use. So in this case, you can also go back to the home, which gives you the dashboard. You should be able to see our cars that we have washed with the dashboard. You can navigate, you can even see the revenue that you have generated. It has moved now to 680 because of that transaction. And I can even see how many cars I have washed. So it doesn't matter wherever you are, you can see number of cars that have been washed today. And as you can see, there are 3. There are different sections that you can play around on revenue report, where we say sell other products or services. If you remember, the person has ordered John has ordered the car perfume is the vanilla flavor, so we need to make sure that we confirm that they've paid maybe by cash, so that the revenue can be attributed to that. These are some of the stuff that they've purchased. You always need to confirm it from this end. So this is how you can capture transaction on the Carwash app, where you can either use scan a car or you can do manual entry. Thank you for watching, and we'll learn on the next videos.